You literally know how challenging is it to link your credit card to a PayPal account, especially when you are based in Ghana. This app helps you to generate unlimited virtual card, and the exciting part is it's eligible to be linked to your PayPal account. Let me walk you through the process on how you're going to generate your own virtual card using the app. So please search for Eversend and download it from your App Store or your Play Store. When you are done downloading it, kindly open it. Then here, you enter your Gmail or your email. When you are done, then you hit on the button continue. So this will pop up. It's about their terms and conditions. You and I know we are not going to read it, so just hit on OK and tap on continue. So I already have an account with my Gmail. That's why this shows, but you are not going to see this. Kindly follow the process and finish completing your account. So I'm going to enter my PIN here to log in. So you are going to see the same dashboard as mine. As you can see, I have 50 Ghana cedis, but you don't have any funding. So hit on the plus button here to add fund into your account. So you can choose any option that you are familiar with. I'm going to choose mobile money. So here you need to enter your mobile money number here, either Vodafone Cash or Airtel Cash. So you hit on the plus, then you enter your number there. It could be MTN, Vodafone or Airtel. So the minimum amount we can use in creating a virtual card is $5, which is equivalent to 80 Ghana cedis. So let's load our accounts with 80 Ghana cedis. So enter 80 Ghana cedis there. So from 80 Ghana cedis and above, no below 80 Ghana cedis. Okay. So after entering your 80 Ghana cedis, then you hit on continue. So let's wait till it finish loading. So you will receive an OTP pin. You need to enter it here. Then kindly read the instructions and follow to complete adding fund to your account. Thank you. So now your fund has been added to your account. Before we proceed, we need to exchange it from Ghana cedis to dollars, okay? And note, so you hit on the exchange button over here. So now you choose USD. Then we are going to enter the amount 80 Ghana cedis. The minimum amount we can convert is 80 Ghana cedis, okay? Then you see it has converted already to us, so that's 6.9 in dollars, okay? Then we hit on continue. So when you are done, we need to hit the card section at the bottom, and you are not going to see this, but you see a plus there. So you hit on the plus to create a new virtual card. So you choose the color you prefer, then you hit on continue. Now enter the amount you want to load on the card or use to create the account. Enter $5, that's the minimum amount. You enter $5, then you hit on continue. Now your card has been created. If you want to review your card details, just tap on the card and this option will appear. Let me show you my transactions. So you could see PayPal has deducted $1 for my verification process. Now you're done creating your virtual card, log on to your PayPal account and link your card. PayPal is going to deduct $1 for a verification process, and it takes 5 business days. After they are done, they will refund your money back to your card. Now your account is ready to make transactions. My name is Kwabs. Let's meet at the top because that's where I'm going to be.